Good morning, students. Now we are discussing about the redox reaction involving inner sphere reaction mechanism. We have already discussed about the outer sphere reaction mechanism. In inner sphere reaction mechanism, a bridge bond is formed between the two redox partners and the transfer of electron takes place by the bridging atom. While in the outer sphere reaction mechanism, direct transfer of electron takes place without any bridging atom. The reaction mechanism of inner sphere reaction mechanism involves the three steps. Number one, substitution to form a bridge between oxidant and reductant. And number two, the actual transfer of electron. Number three, the separation of the products into two species through the bridge atom. In this third step, generally the transfer of this ligand also takes place from previous to reactant to product. In this, for example, we take a classical example carried out. This classical example or experiment is carried out by Tubes in 1953, and she got Nobel Prize for this experiment. In this experiment or example, we have seen that cobalt initially in +3 oxidation state and non-labile, while chromium is in +2 oxidation state and labile. In aqueous medium, these two reactants react with each other and form the cobalt +2 oxidation state and labile and chromium +3 oxidation state and non-labile. This cobalt uh, +2 oxidation state labile, previously it is in +3 oxidation state and non-labile, and it vice versa from the chromium. This reaction is carried out or proceed under these following three steps. Number one, these two reactants react with each other with the help of this bridging chlorine atom and form a bridging complex. This bridging in second step, this bridging complex involving the chlorine atom as a bridge atom, there is a transfer of electron takes place from chromium to cobalt, and now cobalt and product, and now cobalt under has +2 oxidation state and chromium has now +3 oxidation state. In the third step, this bridge complex having the interchange of oxidation state in aqueous medium further dissociate into two species where cobalt is in +2 oxidation state and labile complex, and while chromium is in +3 oxidation state and non-labile. And in the fourth step, since we have seen that cobalt 2 plus is labile complex, this react with further water molecule, and all the ammonia molecules are replaced by the water molecule and form a hexaquated +2 cobalt species. And finally, this is the end product of this reaction. Now we have to show that this chlorine atom act as a bridge atom before and after the electron transfer. We have seen that in both these reactant and products, here the cobalt and chlorine atom is attached to the complex. Previously it is attached cobalt 3 plus, which is the inert complex, and initially or in product now it is attached with the chromium 3 plus, which is also become an inert complex. So we have seen, so it is clear that this chlorine atom acts as a bridge complex and attached to the complex have which is inert in nature. This is inert in nature. And this is the inner sphere reaction mechanism in short. So, in short, thank you.